Alright guys, the tip reveal.
Tip reveal.
Tip reveal. There's the cat, kitty cat. And then, look at that cat. Ooh,
brand new.
What's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing an exhaust install on the ep3 today. I copped the Yonaka.
Yes.
Alright guys, we just lifted it up right now. Getting ready to install it. Alright, there we go. Alright guys, we opened it up. Luis will do the honors. Did you? What is that? It comes with a hat?
Yeah.
That's actually dope.
I didn't get a hat, I just got a shirt.
Really? That's actually dope.
That's cool.
Comes with a hat, I guess. And then a shirt. But how do they know that fits me?
It's just a generic one. It's a Canadian large, which is like a small here.
Dude, what the heck? Small shirt. Sick though.
What? I didn't get this.
What? OP.
They're OP.
Look at that lanyard.
Yonaka stickers.
And stickers too?
Put them over the SI stickers.
No.
Just right under it.
No. That's pretty cool.
And then this. At them. Chris, that's for you.
Chris. Shout out Chris.
License plate cover too.
What? Dang, everything.
You gonna put it on?
No.
What? What do you got?
Really? I was like, I don't want that. There it is, bubble wrapped and everything.
Fucking massive.
I think that be it.
I'm not gonna hear nothing.
I know, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to gut it. Oh, I'll pause it. Alright guys, the tip reveal.
Tip reveal.
Tip reveal. That's nice though.
It is nice. Got the double wall.
Those are nice welds, man. The robots did good in China. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Yeah, there it is, yonaka. Pretty dope. Alright, y'all. Alright, guys. So far we loosened the axle back. Just two nuts or bolts, whatever. And then we just gotta lube up these hangers, take them out, and then the axle back will be off. And then we'll go for the midsection next. But so far, easy, knock on wood. Alright, so we just got the axle back off. This big old boy, look at this. All rusty and old. This shit's hella heavy.
Nasty welds.
Look at those welds. What the? So bad, bro.
He weighs like 50 pounds too.
For real, heck heavy. Alright, so we're gonna get this midsection out now. I have to crawl all the way under here. So that's why I'm making these weird noises. Okay, so Luis has to hold that while I unscrew these. It's just two bolts. It should be easy because it's new hardware. And then we gotta get to that rusty hoe. Alright. Alright guys, so this is where we're at so far. We got the bolts off the cat. It's just a rust shut right now. Rust welded. Trying to loosen this bit up. It's coming off though. Slowly. But yeah, so far, honestly, not too bad job. Look at that. That's all rusty right there. It's getting there though.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so update. We got it off. We got it all off. There's the cat, kitty cat. And then, look at that cat. Ooh,
brand
beautiful.
Brand new. OEM replacement, huh?
Hell yeah. But it's all rusty though.
Yeah.
But hey, if it works, that's all that matters. But yeah, so now we just do the Yonaka exhaust, and that should be pretty smooth. But yes, we got it all off. There's the old stuff right here.
Alright.
There's that, and then the other one. Is that the resonator?
Yeah.
Do these old things. Alright guys, just a little comparison of the yonaka exhaust versus my old one. Nice tip. Stainless steel versus this junk. Look at that garbage.
With the stock axle back too.
I know. I'll miss the dual tip though. But whatever. This tip looks good though. Hopefully it sounds good. We'll see right now. Alright. Okay. Anyways, so we already put in the muffler, just because I'll make our lives easier. And it's already hooked up to the rubber, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, yeah, we're just getting this in right now, connected to the cat, and then we'll make our way down there, and then we'll get to the first startup with the new exhaust. So that's a tip, but it's not fully installed yet, so it's sticking out a little too much. But we got the mid pipe in, connected to the cat. You're gonna want to keep it a little loose, so whenever you're tightening the back there, you can make adjustments. So it's not on all the way. Other than that, Luis is putting on the little donut on the resonator, and then we're gonna tighten that up, and then hopefully the next part will be the startup. Alright guys, so Luis and I just finished the install. We got that, all that is tightened, axe back, muffler's tight, the final product. I think it looks good. So mine's gonna stick out a little bit more than the USDM bumper because I have the Type R bumper, but yeah, this is the finished product. It looks good. Shiny. Ooh. All right, so we're gonna give it the first startup right now. We give it to Luis.
I'm watching dry hands.
Oh, okay. Looks good though.
All right, you're rolling.
You ready?
Yeah.